William,
Yeah, Louis.
it's that time of year.
It is.
You know what time it is?
I do.
What time is
It's
it?
Toyotathon time.
Toyotathon. This is Toyota's culminating event that happens only one time a year. And here at Louis Heron Toyota, we're making it even better than it's ever been. But you know what you need to do to take advantage of the Toyotathon? Nothing.
Exactly.
Absolutely
What do you mean nothing, Louis?
zero. Nothing. That's all you got to do. You see our promotion, you see what we have going on, adding to what Toyota's already done, we're going to do 0 payments for 6 months. During these times, economic times, during the holiday season where you need money most, imagine not having payments for 6 months. We're going to offer that to you. In addition, you're going to have 0 maintenance for 2 years. 0 maintenance on your car for 2 years. In addition, on most models, 0%. Those savings, William, at an average rate of 4.9 or 5%, that's going to be almost $4,500 in savings. And then lastly, the caveat, the one and only, the only one that has lifetime warranty in Middle Georgia, anywhere, 0 warranty costs on your vehicle forever. Any major components that go wrong with the vehicle is covered for a lifetime. So that's what I got to say. My question is, what do you got to say?
Look, we had Louis-thon, and it was big. So right now, Toyota's telling us that this is going to be bigger. We really don't know how it can be bigger. I don't know if it can, but we're counting on y'all to make it bigger. So we're talking, you heard of 999? We got 0, 0, 0. Louis Heron Toyota, guys, this is the way we do. Is this the way we do?
That's how we roll. That's how we do it. And we're here in Millersville, right across the street from Starbucks. Man, you come into Starbucks, get you one of those nice cup of hot coffee. Come on and see us. Yeah, the Java.
The Java.
Come on and sit down with us. You can meet myself. I'll meet you all day long. Come on in the dealership. You can sit with William. We got great staff, great managers. Our people here are fantastic. You got to experience the difference. President's Award winner. So it's really up to you to get off the couch. It's up to you to get off the office chair as you're viewing this on the internet right now. Come on in and check us out. I promise you it'll be worth the drive.
You really get to meet the owner. He's here every day. The man is here. So you get to, Louis will come down and shake your hand. Woo, woo. He got a lot of energy, so come with energy. That's what I'm saying. Starbucks, grab your coffee. You're going to need that energy, and then come in.
And you know what's nice about it is I always say the dealer's always in, because if you think about it, you can take any dealership you want to take. You can take, I won't mention any names, but you ask for the dealer. He ain't there. But you know who's here? Louis Heron's here, so I'm here. Nothing special, but I am here. If I can help make the deal, help you on trade, rate, payment, anything I need to do, we'll make it happen. We stand behind what we say we're going to do, and would love to check you out during
Toyota, guys. Louis Heron Toyota.